Is your video file too large to upload, share, or store? You can use Clipchamp to create a smaller video file by exporting it at a lower resolution. In this guide, I'll show you how to compress videos in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new video project. Select Import Media and choose the video you want to compress. Then drag the video onto the timeline. Before exporting, preview the video and make sure it's the correct file. You don't need to make any edits if your only goal is to reduce the file size. Now select the Export button in the top right corner of Clipchamp. You'll see several resolution options. The resolution you choose affects both the video quality and the final file size. For a smaller file, choose a lower resolution than the original. Clipchamp offers options including 480p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K, depending on your plan and project. 720p can be a useful choice when you want good quality with a smaller file size, while 480p is better when keeping the file as small as possible is the priority. Select your preferred resolution and Clipchamp will begin processing the video. Wait for the export to finish. Higher resolutions and longer projects generally take longer to export. Once the export is complete, find the new video file on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder for personal accounts. Right-click the file and open its properties to compare the new size with the original. Finally, play the compressed video and check the picture and audio quality. If the file is still too large, export it again at a lower resolution. If the quality is too low, move up to a higher resolution such as 720p or 1080p. And that's how to compress a video in Clipchamp in 2026. Import your video, select Export, choose a smaller resolution, and check the finished file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.